go on yesterday, or when you ever watched the video. Here they are. Look at that. I'll take a bag with me today because I'm up early-ish. So what I did last night was put some of this blue tape on there, just stop the water, because it's had a lot of rain going down into the crevices. This was also just had the glue settle a little bit more. Don't want to get in too wet too much. So that would have protected it, as you can see. Anyway, I'm going to get all this off. I've got it on the other side as well. Better remove those clamps as well. I can't drive with those there. And then yeah, get back to my parents so I can pick up the exhaust and straight to the exhaust place. So I'll see you guys in a little while. Yes. Wow, it must have rained quite hard last night. But yeah, right. I'll sit here for a little set for about 2 minutes, let it warm up a little bit, and then we'll get going. And I will see you in a little while, guys, when I pick up the exhaust, and then we'll take a little drive over to town. But, yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what it sounds like more than well, I might gain a little bit of performance, probably nothing really noticeable, but it will definitely help out flow the back a bit more, even though the Hornet one I got on here is very free flowing. As you can see, it's sort of straight piped, yeah, when you saw me install it. But yeah, I'm just going a bit more out there now. I want it sort of straight piped, because when I put the turbo on and do the downpipe, I want it whistling, so I don't want no boxes or anything getting in the way of that. So I'll see you guys in a little while. Okay then guys, so I've made it. I'm down here, bottom of Southampton, in this place called Central Weldon. Come to these guys before. Good guys down there. Get you in, get on with the job. But I'm in the middle of doing something on a flatbed truck at the moment, so I thought opportunity to show you the side skirts now they're on the car. I will do a proper review and reveal, sorry, later on. Hey, not bad, eh? Not bad. Typical when you come to a town centre, you always hear ambulances or sirens going off. Yeah, those side skirts look much better on there. Looks a bit odd without that cap, but because I painted it silver inside, it is noticeable. I was going to say it's not too noticeable, but it is. Yeah, I know it looks like any normal Fiesta if it's an ST with the side skirts, but for an TDCi, yeah, it just sort of transforms the looks a little bit. I don't know why, but on a TDCi they stand out so much more, don't they? I don't know why that is. But anyway guys, this is what we're getting rid of today, and we're going to see what it sounded like, well, like this now, and then with the new one on in a little while, we'll see what it sounds like as well. So let me start it up and then give you guys a little bit of a listen. That's what you're going to get really out of a diesel. You know, you can't really rev them too much because they got such a lazy, isn't it, sort of engine. So well, diesels anyway. So yeah, that's what that sounds like. I might give you another one quickly actually. I'll see if I can push it a little bit harder. But yeah. there we go, that's the best you're going to get out of a diesel. What the hell? That's new, that wasn't there before. New scratches, eh? Anyway, yeah, so that's going to go in a minute. Looking forward to seeing what it looked like. I know, I like the tip, I like how it rolls. It's just sort of that old school Ford look, but you know, I want to sort of free it up a little bit more, flow. So here we go. Here she goes. Fiesta. So I pulled over at some car park for now. Get me camera mount on to see what it sounds like. I was going to pull over in town at this car park, but I was like, I don't really like being in town. I don't like going over into town at all because it's just idiots over there, just drive really aggressively. And I made my point when I was just coming out of town. I had one moron right up my ass. I don't know where he came from. I was just cruising along, my own business, right up my ass. And he's getting really, really aggressive. That's why you can drive along white lines that you're not supposed to drive on. So he tried to undertake me and out, going across these white lines. And I forced him over into the bloody reservation, like to hit the little islands in the middle of the road. And this car pulling out of the junction didn't know what to do. So this guy's been really dangerous. Yeah, but enough of that. I just hate going to town. So the exhaust is on. Not getting into that because I get freaking wound up by people like that. But I'll just mind my own business and just get on with it. So here we go, guys. This is what it looks like. That looks so much better, doesn't it, on there? So I thought I'd pull over here and just show you the better side of the side skirt, because the other side's got a missing cap. Don't think that cap's staying on the front, because it's not. So it's not really meant to. It doesn't fit properly, as you can sort of see. It bulges out a little bit because this is a cap that was supposed to be on the back of the Fiesta side skirt, and someone's cut it to fit the front. But I've got custom ones coming. Needs lowered now. Needs lowering, I know. I can't do that yet, not till I get the big wheels on, then I can figure out how low I need to go. But yeah, the side skirts now look much better, don't they? It just sort of complements the car a bit more, especially the silver wing mirrors and the silver trims. I know there's nothing too out there, you know what I mean? It's just like any other Fiesta, isn't it, really? Just with side skirts on and silver colour-coded stuff and that on their cars. But this car, as you saw it, the C-Deck S, they don't come colour-coded. So having it all now matching, it just makes it more presentable. It really does change the look of the car completely. So lots been done, and I've spent way too much money, so now I'm going to take a little bit of a time out from fun at the moment and just focus on what I have got to go on the Fiesta. Stop buying stuff in a minute. And yeah, let's see what this exhaust sounds like though. Yeah, that just totally looks much better having a twin pipe cam there. Done it. That just sort of, it sits under there really, really nicely as well, and because there's sort of that curve there, I love that part there, sort of just flows over the exhaust. I need to give it a clean. I've not really cleaned it since I put it on. I just got it welded on there and boom. But yeah, no bad box. No, it's just a straight piece of pipe. And it's sorry about the wind, but let's see what it sounds like, shall we? Stinks. I like the sound of that. That sounds very, very nice. Not bad for a diesel. Obviously, once I get the downpipes installed and the bigger turbo, we'll hopefully get some whistling sound come out of that as well. I don't know if it does whistle. I'll probably have to listen to the video and see what it sounds like. I'll get close. Let's look. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I can hear a slight whistle. of the turbine, but not by much because it has got a cat on there still, but I can hear a slight little hiss. But yeah. What we do, guys, we'll go for a little drive. I'm not going to drive too much. I don't really like holding my camera phone when I'm driving, because obviously it is illegal having your phone in your hand. So you can have a little bit of a listen while I'm driving. Yeah, it sounds alright. You can definitely hear it when you're driving. Come on, John. There's a zebra crossing the end of the day. Right, let me try and concentrate pulling out of here quickly. Okay. You might not be able to hear anything because it is windy. But I can definitely hear it inside the cabin. I don't know what it is in lockdown and COVID. People are driving like absolute dickheads at the moment. They seem to think it's lockdown, you know, and they'll be like, let's drive like an absolute moron. So I drive slowly now and fucking just indicate everywhere. I don't know why that is. People don't like that either. You drive and just cruise along at the actual speed limit, and then you know you let them know where you're going. They don't like that because they get right at your ass because you know you're indicated. Yeah, sounds alright. I absolutely am really happy with it, to be honest. And it's stainless steel as well, so not like that mild steel Hornet one. That's just a temporary fix. I know I wanted it boxless at the back. Right, I'm going to end it there then, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will catch you on the next video. Peace out. Subscribe if you're new. Check all the links out down below. And yeah, grab some of the merchandise, all that good stuff. And I'll catch you.